What is up, guys? Welcome back. Today we got a special one. My camera just came in the mail. Going to the mail room to pick it up. Let's go get it.
I swear to God I wasn't born to fight.
Hello. Kalila? Thank you. Yes, sir. She like didn't even tape this. All right, guys, here we go. Moment of truth. Camera's here, picked up from the post office. Let's crack it out. Let's see if I got what I ordered. Let's go. All right, here we go. First, we have the Sony A series. Got a little air blower, charger, the battery, macro lenses, 55 to 210 millimeter lens. The last bag. Ho ho ho. Woo, 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 woo. Nice grip. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's turn this thing on. Take the lens off. Woo. Nice little tour of the fort. And there it is. Sir, yes, sir. All this Sony A6400 mirrorless.
I'll be making my own way now. I'll be making my own way now to where I got to be.
All right, guys. Well, there you have it. The unboxing, my new camera, Sony A6400. Hyped to get some clips with this thing. The screen flips up, meant to vlog on. It's a wrap. Thanks for joining. Keep watching, like and subscribe. We got tons of new content coming. Stay tuned. We got a little photo shoot going on with the new cam.